welcome to another video. Today we're going to make some sourdough bread. Because it's snowing outside, I think we need a bit of carbs just to warm us up a bit. So what we're going to use is, it's only 3 ingredients. Well, it's actually 2 ingredients because we've got flour and water and that's it. I'm going to be using 450 grams of strong white bread flour, 150 grams of starter and 250 millilitres of water. This is a really quick and easy method, so I've been doing this now for a couple of months and I've just got it down to fine art where you just do it really quickly. And I'm going to be baking it in a tin. It's much easier just to chuck it in a tin basically. So first of all, whey flour. Actually, it doesn't really matter too much which order everything goes in, just chuck it all in and we'll mix it up. Then the starter. And then I'll top the starter up with 50 grams of flour just to keep it going. Okay, now we'll mix it on the mixer. And then just add the water in. I've added a little bit more water in because the flour is quite strong and the dough is quite tight, so I've just softened the dough a little bit. And we'll mix it for around about 6 minutes or until the dough is nice and smooth. Okay, it's now nice and smooth, and what we'll do, we'll mould it up and put it in the tin. Okay, it's nice and smooth. Just get it out here, it's a bit sticky. Just keep it moving and it tends not to stick. And I've got this bit of silicone just to mould it up on. So you can just roll it like that, like a Swiss roll. Get your thumbs underneath, roll it that way, and then roll it that way again, and then just roll it out. And then that'll go in the tin. Like that. And then all I do is put it in the sealed plastic box and we'll leave it for a few hours to rise up. We'll probably leave it for about 6 hours to rise up. I'll leave it over here out of the way to rise up. Okay, it's ready to go in the oven. It's been proving up for probably about 12 hours now. And it's huge. Carefully take the lid off so I don't knock it at all. It's really increased in size. Okay, I'll just put this in here, put it in for 18 minutes at 180 degrees. Put some water in the pan at the bottom. That'll create a nice lot of steam to help it rise up. Okay, it's ready to come out now. Just put it in a cooling wire. At the bottom, make sure it's done. That sounds good. Okay, let's see what it's like. It's been cooling down for about 3/4 of an hour now. So let's cut the end off. Yeah, lovely. Nice open texture. See the crumb is nice and open. I think I'll toast that bit. So, that's how you make an easy sourdough bread. It's not that quick because it takes about 12 hours to rise up, but actually the making process is pretty quick. So it's quick and easy, chuck it in a loaf tin and there you go. So try it out, see how it goes. Lovely. It's really crispy, it's really nice. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for some more videos.